Hi, this is Nick and I'm with Atlantic Laser Scanning. Today we're announcing a brand new line of products that we're going to offer here at Atlantic Laser, drone-based LiDAR. Drones, LiDAR, a full array of LiDAR survey equipment that's going to be available. Stay tuned. Since 2012, Atlantic Laser Scanning has been a rental provider for 3D laser scanning equipment. That's included ferrofocus laser scanners, Creaform metrology grade handy scanners, and now we're going to be providing our customers with drone-based LiDAR equipment. Virtually everything that you would need to start offering LiDAR to your customer base. Whether you're a drone company looking to expand to provide survey quality data, or a survey company looking to expand to gather data with drones. We've got the new DJI M300 RTK drone units. We've also got the brand new RESEPI XT32 RESEPI units from Inertial Labs. If you're looking for a full array of equipment to get started, we've got RTK units, ground control points, virtually everything that you would need to start providing LiDAR data to your customers. If you have the LiDAR unit and just need a drone, we've got the drone. If you've got the drone and you just need the LiDAR unit, you can get that from us as well. Anything that you need to get started providing drone-based LiDAR to your customer base, Atlantic Laser Scanning is going to be here to help you. Just visit us at our website at atlanticlaserscanning.com. You'll find pricing. Email us, we'll let you know what's available at your convenience for your project date. Thanks and good luck with your project.